Today I'm going to show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. So we're going to add a company page over here to our profile. We're going to go up over here to the top right. It says for business. Click on that. Come down all the way to the bottom. It says create a company page. It'll open up a new page, and here you can create a LinkedIn company page. So this could either be company, a showcase page, or an educational institution. Let's click on company page, and here you want to add in all of the following details. This will be your name. This will then be your unique LinkedIn address. This will be according to your name. If you do have a website, you want to go ahead, add it in within the correct format. You want to add in the industry, the organization size, and then the organization type. We want to add in a logo over here. You will need a tagline. So whatever your tagline may be, go ahead, add it in here. And then you just need to verify that you can add this organization over here. You're going to come to the bottom, click on create page, and you now have a company page which you can manage from your own profile.